Hi, this is Jason Molesky. In this example, we'll take a look at how to construct a bar graph for a set of data. We'll also see whether or not a pie chart would be appropriate for that same set of data. Portable MP3 music players such as the Apple iPod are popular, but not equally popular with people of all ages. The table here displays the percent of people in various age groups who own a portable MP3 player. This data was gathered from a randomly selected group of 1,112 individuals in an Arbitron survey. The first part of the example asks us to make a well-labeled bar graph to display the data and then describe what we'll see. To do this, we'll first need to start by labeling our axes. The horizontal axis will be labeled with our age group in years, 12 through 17, 18 through 24, 25 through 34, 35 through 54, and 55 and older, while the vertical axis will represent the percent who own an MP3 player. We'll run this axis from 0 through 60 since the highest percentage is 54. Make equally spaced marks and label each by units of 10. To make the bar graph then, what we'll need to do is draw one bar per category whose height corresponds to the percent owning an MP3 player in that particular category. As you can see then, we end up with 5 different bars. Notice they don't touch since we have different categories here, and the heights of each correspond to the percents in the table. We can see in this bar graph that it appears MP3 players are more popular among young people, and that their popularity generally decreases as the age category increases. The next step of the example asks whether or not it's appropriate to make a pie chart for these data, and explain why or why not. To answer this question, we'll want to look at the percents owning an MP3 player. Notice they range from 54% for the age group 12 through 17, down to only 5% for the age group of 55 and older. Also notice when we add these percents up, we get a number far greater than 100%. That alone tells us that making a pie chart would not be appropriate, because each percent in the table actually refers to a different age group and not to parts of a single whole.